Hi, I'm Nick Dres, and this is my ArcelorMittal story. I first learned of the steel industry when I took a tour in elementary school of a steel plant. Recalling that experience, I was really excited when I saw ArcelorMittal at Purdue Northwest Career Fair. After a brief conversation with the recruiter, ArcelorMittal seemed like a good fit and would provide plenty of opportunities to grow within the business and a host of diverse and challenging projects. It turns out my current boss, Tony, was who spoke with me and generated my initial interest at the booth. I began my career with ArcelorMittal as an intern, where I was given the autonomy I desired while receiving the guidance I needed to make a direct impact in the process automation group. After completing my internship, I started as a process automation engineer in the power dispatch department. Being part of the automation group, we're on the forefront of implementing new and exciting technologies to solve real-world problems. No one day is the same, and each day's challenges bring new opportunities to learn and develop as an engineer. Now, as a senior engineer, I'm proud to have progressed so quickly, and I attribute this to the opportunities ArcelorMittal offers when you work hard, seize every opportunity, and tackle the difficult projects. I also feel fortunate to have the flexibility and manager's trust to pursue my own projects and make important decisions. As for the future, who knows where I'll be, but I know it'll be with ArcelorMittal. Make your world at ArcelorMittal.